When Doc Brown famously declares, "Roads? Where we're going, we don't need roads," in the iconic 1980s film Back to the Future, feels like we've stepped into that future. While we still need roads, the reliance on human labor is rapidly diminishing. In Turkey, where East meets West, cutting-edge humanoid robots are revolutionizing industries. Picture robots that mimic human movement, intelligence, and precision, minus our habits of hitting the snooze button. State-of-the-art factories are buzzing, transforming fields from healthcare to hospitality. Join us as we dive into Turkey's humanoid robot program. Now, can robots learn to make better baklava? Well, let's find out. Okay, before we get to Turkey, let's take a trip to London. When we started making smart gadgets, it was just a matter of time before things moved from just smartphones to even smarter devices. You know how humans moved from Homo erectus to Homo sapiens, right? Well, what we're trying to say is that robots are taking over the world, and it's been a long time coming. A relevant example is the huge Ocado grocery warehouse in the United Kingdom, where more than 2,000 machines are running things, acting like worker bees in a hive. And yes, they actually cooperate. No politics, no patriarchy, nothing. Just a bunch of working systems focused solely on doing a good job. In fact, that's exactly how Ocado nicknames its enormous facility, where an army of approximately 2,300 bots moves boxes with groceries to prepare them for shipping. The automated hive consists of a grid storage system, which is a metal structure filled with products to reach online customers. All the items are placed in totes, which are like open boxes. Ocado created a network of fully automated bots on duty all day. No lunch breaks, no holidays, and that eliminates downtime. The machines move more than 1 million items daily, with each bot covering approximately 37 miles daily. According to Ocado, their robots are so reliable and durable that each travels a distance equivalent to, well, imagine taking a trip from London to New York before requiring any maintenance. Even though the warehouse is swarming with bots that work only 5 millimeters apart, there are no accidents and the operation runs flawlessly. The bots travel at speeds of 4 meters per second. There are sensors underneath each bot, so when a certain square in the grid is covered, a laser notes that, allowing the robot to recognize it as already past that specific cell in the warehouse. All of the products are moved by the machines in the packing area, where both human employees and robotic arms take over. A green pulsating light on the bot means the machine is doing exactly what it's supposed to, while an orange light indicates the robot is experiencing something within its sensors, so it is safely stopped for investigation. A team of grid operators stationed at the edge of the grid oversees the entire hive and can control the bots remotely. Pretty cool stuff, right? Well, let's continue our trip down another robotic lane. The gravest fear that has rippled through humanity from the technology industry is that someday almost all of our jobs will be replaced by robots. If they do a very good job, why don't we all just go on holiday? In Dongguan City, located in the central Guangdong province of China, a technology company has set up a factory run almost exclusively by robots, and the results are fascinating. The Changyong Precision Technology Company factory in Dongguan has automated production lines that use robotic arms to produce parts for cell phones. The factory also has automated machining equipment, autonomous transport trucks, and other automated equipment in the warehouse, and the results are staggering. So it's hard to argue against automation when statistics clearly illustrate its potential. The latest evidence comes from a Chinese factory in Dongguan City. The factory recently replaced 90% of its human workforce with machines, which led to a staggering 250% increase in productivity and a significant 80% drop in defects. Changyong Precision Technology Company's factory used to need 650 human workers to produce mobile phones. The factory is run by 60 robot arms that work around the clock across 10 production lines. And there are still people working at the factory though. 3 workers check and monitor each production line, and other employees monitor a computer control system. Only 60 people are still employed by the company. 3 are assigned to check and monitor the production line, and the others are tasked with monitoring computer control systems. Any remaining work not handled by humans is left in the capable hands of machines. According to Luo Weiqiang, general manager of the factory, the number of people employed could drop to just 20, and given the level of efficiency achieved by automation, it won't be long before the other factories follow in their footsteps. The robots have produced almost 3 times as many pieces as before. The production per person has hiked up from 8,000 pieces to 21,000 pieces. That's a whole 162.5% increase. The increased production rate hasn't come at the cost of quality either. In fact, quality has improved. Before the robots, the product defect rate was 25%. Now it's below 5%. Okay, our jobs are all going. Well, before we conclude, let's visit another place in China. If it's not them, then who? Alibaba, the Chinese tech giant, is leveraging artificial intelligence to transform e-commerce and beyond. Through its various AI initiatives, Alibaba aims to enhance customer experience, drive sales, and enable businesses to develop their own AI solutions. Alibaba, which is often referred to as the Amazon of China, is one of the largest e-commerce companies in the world. However, its operations extend far beyond just online shopping. At the heart of Alibaba's success lies its innovative use of artificial intelligence across various facets of its business. This article delves into how Alibaba leverages AI to revolutionize e-commerce, logistics, customer service, and urban management. Alibaba's e-commerce empire, comprising Taobao and Tmall, caters to hundreds of millions of users. That's a lot of shoppers. Now, to keep up with this massive customer base, Alibaba relies on sophisticated AI algorithms. Think of it as having a personal shopping assistant, minus the attitude and constant requests for raises. These AI wizards analyze user behavior, preferences, and purchase history to recommend products tailored to individual tastes. It's like having a magic shopping mirror that says, "Hey, you look great in that virtual outfit," and no snapping at you. But Alibaba didn't stop there. They've also integrated visual search capabilities, allowing users to upload product images and find similar items. No more frantic Googling for "that one dress I saw on Instagram." And with augmented reality features, customers can virtually try on clothes and accessories. Because let's face it, online shopping can be a gamble. But now you can ensure that that doesn't make you look like a total hat stand just because you want to stand out. Alibaba's logistics arm, Sinow Network, uses AI to optimize warehouse operations. Imagine AI-driven robots and automated systems efficiently managing inventory, picking, packing, and shipping processes. It's like a high-tech game of Tetris, but with packages instead of blocks. But what about delivery? AI-driven logistics planning analyzes traffic patterns, weather conditions, and historical data to determine the most efficient routes. No more "where's my package" anxiety. And when you have a question, Alibaba's AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are on hand to help. No more holding music or "your call is important to us" messages. But Alibaba's AI ambitions don't stop at e-commerce. Their City Brain project aims to create smarter cities by optimizing traffic flow, public safety, and urban planning. Because who doesn't want to spend less time in traffic? Alibaba's AI integration is a game changer. They're revolutionizing the way we shop, interact, and live. Now is our time to visit Turkey. Perhaps we'll have these robots make us some doner kebab. Who knows? Turkish-owned parcel distribution company CuriaNet has installed Europe's biggest application of robot-based sortation technology. Designed and fitted by Libiao Robotics in conjunction with its Turkish distribution and after-sales support partner Loadmaster, the system has been implemented at CuriaNet's Tuzia factory on the outskirts of Istanbul. So, what do? Make tea? Well, of course not. The system uses 120 Libiao mini yellow autonomous mobile robots to connect over 700 destination chutes with 5 partial induction points. Perhaps the positive side of having these guys do our jobs is that we get home earlier and take our kids fishing or something like that. This range is a cost-efficient and flexible alternative to the traditional tilt tray and cross-belt conveyor-based sortation systems. Each robot requires just 1/5 of the floor space needed for conveyor systems, has a load capacity of up to 10 kilograms, and is equipped with collision avoidance technology to ensure safety during route-based tasks. Daria Aden, Assistant General Manager of Operations at CuriaNet, commented, "Our aim is to become a global brand in the parcel delivery sector. We believe that automation is the key to our success, and we have always been early adopters of pioneering technology and systems." Daria emphasized the significance of time in this industry, highlighting the reliability of the robotic system as a major draw. After all, in the fast-paced world of manufacturing, every minute counts. Fortunately, the robots are designed with efficiency in mind, requiring only a brief 5-minute charge to operate for an impressive 4 hours. When their batteries do run low, these clever robots automatically navigate to the nearest charging point, ensuring minimal downtime. It's like they have an internal voice saying, "Time for a quick coffee break" or something. The installation process was remarkably seamless thanks to the collaborative efforts of Libiao's engineers and Daria's operations team. This dream team worked tirelessly to ensure the project's success and that their hard work paid off. As Daria noted, the robotic system has integrated flawlessly with existing technology, yielding remarkable results. With an impressive 99.9% accuracy rate, the company is thrilled with the outcome. It's clear that this robotic system is the perfect addition to their manufacturing lineup. By embracing innovative automation, Daria's company is poised to take efficiency to the next level, proving that sometimes a little robotic help can go a long way, taking us from 50 to 90 in a minute. So with these next-level techs already taking the best companies to an even better level, how do you think this will change the manufacturing world in a few years? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating and fascinating content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.